Welcome to Shannon's Shenanigans. A little bit about life, health, and hope over 50. Today is life. You know, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I'm starting my cooking. And health, we hope it's healthy eating, right? And we all have good health going into the new year. And hope, I hope it turns out good. My cooking, that is. Anyway, I'm hosting, getting excited about it. Try to get some things cooked ahead of time today. Got my ham hocks boiling, and I'm gonna get my greens and my beans going. I'm gonna cook my cornbread for my dressing and see what else I can do ahead of time. Probably my sweet potato, maybe potato salad. I think I can do everything ahead of time except for my turkey, because I like my turkey fresh out of the oven, so I'm gonna do that early in the morning. But I might baste it today. Anyway, y'all, I know the last time I talked to you about this slate coffee, I didn't like it that much, but this is the chocolate one that's been in my fridge for quite a while, and I finally popped it open this morning because I'm out of my Starbucks right now. I like it. I really do. I guess I'm just a chocolate lover, because this chocolate is so much better to me than the vanilla. So I may be buying some more of that, for especially when I'm out of my oven. This is a quick pop the cap on the go. All right, but I don't know if you can tell, I did my hair with the IGK. I did the light sand, it's called, per advice of my new hairdresser friend on YouTube, L'Oreal, and it's just a semi-permanent, so it'll lighten up as I wash. But I do have the brown Bella, or Bella Brown color, that I'm gonna eventually go to, because y'all, I'm a brunette at heart, you know. But anyway, I like it. It's very conditioning. It's just a color mask, and my hair feels better. So anyway, it's not perfection, but for me to do it at home, I think less than $30 a tube. Saves time, saves money, and I don't think it'll hurt my hair, and my hairdresser shouldn't get mad at me. She wouldn't get mad at me anyway, but she'd probably be like, why didn't you call me and come in? But you know, she's busy, I'm busy, we're all busy. Okay, so I'm just going to put on, I've got my moisturizer on. I'm gonna put on a little bit of foundation this morning and then get back in that kitchen. So hold on. All right, that should be good enough for cooking today. And I may have to get out and run, pick up a few things. You know how that goes. And my baby boy plays at 2 o'clock today. Hopefully his shot will fall today. He had a rough time at the basket last game. Good game, lost, but you know, overall he did good. But I know that when his shot's not on, he's not feeling himself. So the Lord be with him and his teammates today. They need a W. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I thought about filming my cooking, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I don't know, maybe we'll see. All right, they gotta come to a boil, but I'm just doing those slowly today because I haven't even washed and cut my greens yet. And this little crock pot's gonna be for my green beans. So slowly but surely we're getting going. Got my cornmeal over here, about to start mixing it. Yeah, I'm a little messy when I cook. Got my 2 pans cornbread, about to go into the oven. I think my pots are boiling. Yeah, let them boil, get that seasoning there. Okay, I know, yes, I got some bag greens. I like a blend of the collards, mustards, and turnips, and this is easy, even though I do pick all the stems out, but I did get 1 bundle of fresh, because you know it's Thanksgiving. But yeah, about to get these bad boys going. Just like Mama used to make. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to go pick up my dad's birthday cake. I'm headed there now. Let me just say, some people do not need to work retail, especially during the holidays, because it shows on their face that they hate their job. Just picked up these cakes, and the girl at the counter had the personality of a wet mop. And some of these people driving through parking lots that are very busy, just, I don't know, like they're mad at the world because it's busy. So everybody, just take a deep breath and realize it's the most wonderful time of the year. And if I make it home with these cakes in one piece, I will be happy, happy. I really need to make another stop, but I don't want to. I guess I really need some regular milk. And I knew it yesterday when I was in the grocery store, but I looked at the regular milk and was like, nah. And now I'm remembering why I needed it. So I think I might have to go get some. Oh, you know what? I have half and half. I can water that down if I need to. Woo. Thanks for listening to me, guys. Helps me remember things. Husband finally putting my shelves back in my china cabinet so I can get all this china back in there off my table. Some potato pie, collard greens, potato salad on the way, green beans. Get my cornbread over there. Dressing. Got my gumdrop tree like nannies,
Happy
my great grandmothers. Love it.
All right, we got my dad's birthday cake. Got some treats for the littles and everybody. Almost getting ready for everybody. My turkey's in the oven. Got my dressing ready to reheat. My souffle ready to cook. Sweet potato pie. Got my homemade cranberry sauce. Oh, the steam. Got my giblet gravy ready, almost. Cornbread, collard greens, mixed greens actually, turnips, collards, and mustards, and delicious. Granny's green beans turned to Nanny's green beans, which is me. Got my table set up there. Potato salad in the fridge. If you didn't hear that earlier, I think I forgot to record. The dining room is ready to go. Nothing fancy, just, you know, got my plants. We didn't get to decorate for Christmas, but anyway, I think we're ready. Got to put our cushions out on the deck. I think we're ready for our company. Where y'all at? Come on in. And now, this girl's got to get ready. If you know, you know. I've been up cooking. Y'all know how it is, mamas and daddies. Husband's at the store getting the last few things that we thought we might need. But happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Sorry I look so bad. See you soon. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. Got to get ready for my guest. So I'm going to put on some makeup today. All right. Let's see. I guess I'll do a little color correction. Maybe. There we go. You know what? I didn't finish putting on my skincare. I'll be right back. Goodness, so busy this morning. I got partway through it, and then I got preoccupied with something else. So, if I can remember correctly, another clip. I got to the Boo Say Boo, but I didn't do the Boo Say Boo yet. So, boo. I don't want to do too much because I wanted to get my hair
Okay. Say Saint and Ramon are having their Black Friday sales. I've ordered another set of the skincare, and I really kind of need some makeup, but what I need is not on sale, so I don't think I'll be ordering any Saint. I may look at it again when I have time, but I hadn't had time right now. So my favorite Thanksgiving food is dressing. I want you to comment what yours is. And I'm so thankful that we are able to host our family today. Although I will miss my own children. They can't be here. They're out of state in school and just didn't work out. But I will see them Christmas. And I just saw Noah a week or so ago. And Cami will be coming home in a couple of weeks for a weekend. And then we'll be back to Orlando for the Christmas holidays to see everybody. We'll meet there. So I'm excited about that. Today's my dad's birthday and my Aunt Jan. Hope they have a blessed day. All right. I'm not gonna do sunscreen because it's cold outside today in Georgia and I'm not going outside. At least I don't plan on it. Although I didn't plan on going outside yesterday. And then I remembered 30 minutes after my pickup time, I had to go pick up my bundt cakes. Glad I remembered that I did that. So I did get outside a little bit, not much. Okay, let's do a little color corrector, just a little. I've been doing this lately. I don't know why that little, there we go. I don't think I'm using the right brush. Okay. I'm going to do time lapse because, you know, it's kind of boring for you guys. All right, my turkey timer just went off, so I'm gonna go check on my turkey and try to relax a little bit before my guests get here. Choose joy. What is wrong with this thing? Oh, must be dead. All right, getting ready to make the gravy. Pray for me, folks. Oh, I can't believe my gravy's actually working. Oh my goodness. I think it's gonna be good. Trying to get my... Gotta put my egg in there. I'm good. Yum, yum, yum. Was it potatoes and beans and greens? Yes.
I want to get everybody in the video. All right, on the count of 3, hit mute. 1, 2, 3. On the count of 3, everybody say what you're most thankful for. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Family.
Raise my hand or ask a question or share my work. Some things still don't come as easily for me.
All right, it's carrot cake.
Carrot cake is good with extra spinach. It does not taste like carrots.
I thought I was going to escape.
Summer, will you send me those?
I thought I was going to get out of here without
Do you? Did you still love carrots? All right, who wants it, Pierce? You got a knife? Who wants one? You got a knife?
I'm good.
Just a quick snapshot of the day. A real look into what goes into Thanksgiving. Of course, that's just a fraction of the cooking, but then you get your family and loved ones come and enjoy everything, and we get family pictures, and this shows you the process of that. It's not an easy task, especially with the littles, but I didn't want to cut any corners and just show you the best of the best, so I just included every snapshot to get a real look into Shannon's shenanigans. Like my sweet niece P said, you may shenan once, but you will never shenan again. I think that's what she said. It seemed cuter when she said it, though. Maybe there was something different. But what a blessed day. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you to all my subscribers. I can't believe I'm up to 251. I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and let's get ready for the Christmas holidays. And always, choose joy.